Hello and welcome back to our training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. And on our training today, we're going to continue building out a prospecting process that we can follow to make sure that none of our prospects ever fall through the cracks. But before we get into that, once again, my name is Jeff Osnes. I am your host. I am your trainer. I am your tour guide as we go through this Prosperity Central system. Now, what is the Prosperity Central system? It is an online contact management system designed to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects in an effective and efficient way. It was specifically designed for the network marketing industry. However, anyone in sales can really benefit by taking advantage of this powerful tool. So if you know somebody in sales or network marketing, take a moment now and share this video with them so that they can start to take advantage of the system. Now, once again, on our training today, we're going to continue working through and building out a process to manage a specific prospecting list that we're going to be working, or a specific type of contact that you would be generating and driving into your Prosperity Central system. We're taking the knowledge that we have been learning over the past several months, and we're applying it to create a standardized process that every one of our new prospects would go through. Now, with that being said, we're going to jump back over to contacts again today. From the contact manager, we've got our folders that we created, and we have our saved searches. If we go down here, we've got those 4 saved searches that we created. But what we're going to do is we're going to take these 4 saved searches, we're going to pull them out of here, and we're going to move them up to the quick link section right here. We're going to make it super easy for us to access those 4 saved searches because those are the people that we want to be focusing on a daily basis. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the gear next to saved searches. And we're going to take these 4 saved searches and we're going to click the little pin right here. Pin, 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 pin. I'm going to unpin this one because I'm not going to use this one right now. I'm going to take that one off. I'm also going to rename these. I'm not really happy with the campaign 1, call 1 name. I want to change these to just C1, call 1, and C1, call again. That way they match. Nothing more than that. I just want them to match. So now that we've done that, let's jump back over to contacts. And you'll see our quick view, C1 call 1, C1 call again, C1 callbacks, and C1 not interested calls. And one more thing that we're going to do to speed up our process is we're going to click on the gear here, and we're going to go to Contact Manager Settings. And on our Contact Manager Settings, we're going to go down to Default Display Folder, and we're going to change this to not one of our folders, but actually one of our saved searches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set our default view to our callbacks. And I'm going to save that. Now we're going to click on Contacts. And you'll see now, whenever we click on the Contacts tab, it'll take us to our C1 Callbacks Quick View or Save Search. Now the reason why I set my C1 Callbacks as my default view is that that is the view that I want to focus on every time I come into my account, both at the beginning and at the end of the day. Because as I start working through my data, let's say I click on the C1 call 1 view here, and I start working through this data. As I'm connecting with those people, I'm going to be setting follow-up dates. Remember our custom field for follow-up dates? We're going to be using that follow-up date. And I might talk to somebody today that wants a follow-up later today. Or I might talk to somebody today that wants a follow-up tomorrow. And I don't want to miss that. I don't want to get distracted by jumping into the start of my campaign and forgetting to go through my callbacks. So I'm going to start with my callbacks every day. If I have records in my C1 callbacks view, I need to deal with those. I need to call them. I need to update them. I need to check and see if they've emailed me. Those are the ones I need to check on first. And then I jump to C1 call 1, C1 call again, or C1 not interested. And that's it for our training today. As you can see, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It is a super simple system that helps you present your opportunity, organize your contacts, and track those contact activities so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. There is a built-in 2-tier affiliate program to help you start building a second income stream, all while helping your team take advantage of tools they should be using anyway. It is mobile friendly and it is priced just right. Now, speaking of price, there are 3 account levels: Basic, Professional, and Premier. The Basic account is free for life. It's there so that everybody on your team has a place to call home. Everybody should have a Prosperity Central account so they can access your training, so they can plug into you and know what you're up to. But for those that are serious about building a business, they should upgrade to the Professional account. $24.95 a month gives them everything they need to manage, organize, and follow up with their prospects. Now, for your leaders, they should upgrade to the Premier account. That account will give them the tools that they need to create customized content that they can then share with their team, including a training page. Now, if you don't have a Prosperity Central account, you need to go get one today. Go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz. Go there now so that you can start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Bye for now, and happy prospecting.